today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a unique round logo using Canva. Designing your logo has never been easier, and by the end of this session, you'll be equipped with the skills to let your creativity shine. So sit back, relax, and let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open up your Canva project. Make sure you've logged into your Canva account and are on the home page. Once you're there, locate any existing projects you might have, or if you're starting fresh, simply click to create a new design project. When you see your design dashboard, you know you're in the right place to begin the exciting process of crafting your personalized logo. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand pane where you'll find an option labeled Elements. This is your treasure chest of design possibilities. Click on Elements and then head over to the search bar within this tab. Type in the word round. You'll be presented with a variety of round shapes to browse through. These range from simple circles to ornate circular patterns, giving you a wide spectrum of choices to match your brand or personal taste. Select the round shape that best fits your vision for your logo. Once you have your chosen round shape on your canvas, it's time to get creative. Begin by resizing your shape to the desired logo size. Simply click and drag on the corners to adjust its scale, making sure it's the right size for where you'll use it, be it for social media profiles, business cards, or websites. Now comes the fun part. You can start inserting elements into your round shape. Consider what symbols or images represent your brand or message. Use the same Elements tab to search and click on various icons or images that complement your style. Feel free to move them around and adjust size until they're sitting just right within the circle. After arranging your icons or images, it's time to play with text. Click on Text in the menu on your left, and then select Add a heading or Add a subheading, depending on the prominence you want the text to have. Type in your brand name, tagline, or any other text that you want in the logo. To curve your text inside the circle, use the Effects tool located at the top. This tool allows you to curve the text to match the round shape, adding a polished and cohesive look to your design. Once everything is positioned to your satisfaction and aligns with your vision, take a moment to review your design. Ensure all elements are balanced within the circle, with enough breathing space to not look cluttered. Congratulations, you've now crafted your round logo. Save your work by selecting the download option. Choose the right file format for your needs, PNG for high-quality images or SVG for scalable vector graphics, ideal for various applications. And there you go, now you have your freshly minted round logo ready to make its mark. Thanks for watching and happy designing!